Here, stand behind me. You want to stand back here? Oh, if it comes this way, I can take it towards Marquez.
And so the 4th of July is now officially
go.
begun. All right.
My ear,
First
good
one, wasn't it?
God.
Unsuccessful.
That one didn't win.
He might have won. We don't know yet, I guess.
This is a distance, not a race.
This one's going to be the better one.
Who win?
Actually, he lost.
Happy
The first
4th of July,
one won.
everyone.
All right.
Who win?
Now we got hot wheels. Okay, you gotta go back.
I thought
got you in the leg.
Guaranteed.
Ready? Okay.
You guys started without us?
Yeah.
You snooze, you lose.
I go win.
From the corner.
Oh, double trouble.
Yeah, that one had some juice in it. So far, none of them have been great. Last year was better.
I think I two win.
Hands up.
My two
This
win.
could be the best one.
That one had potential.
What happened?
Oh.
Mine
Nitro
win.
booster
Mine
there.
win.
Yeah.
Nitro!
Mine
You probably should have put it towards down.
win.
Yeah.
Mine win. Let's do another one.